हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स सन्डे एकेडमी रे आपण मानको बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज आम देखा ओपीएससी एसो 2025 रो जनरल अवेयरनेस जनरल स्टडी रो टॉप एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन जोटा कि आज होची डे 2। ठीक अच्छे आज आम कौन देखा ना इकोनॉमिक्स बहुत बेसिक बेसिक क्वेश्चन जोटा कि परीक्षा रे निश्चिंत भाव में पड़ुची। ठीक अच्छे चैनल स्टार्ट करवा लेट करवानी आपण मान निश्चिंत भाव में वीडियो टी लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे सांगसाथी मानक जनइबे जे आम ये सन्डे एकेडमी आपन को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रे एबे एएसओ रो विभिन्न एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करोची। चलंतु एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करवा। Question number 1, which of the following best describe the nature of the Indian economy? Mixed economy, socialist economy, communist economy, capitalistic economy. Answer about A apanakara mixed economy. The economy of India is developing mixed economy with a notable public sector in strategic sector. It is the world's fifth largest economy by nominal GDP and third largest by purchasing power parity PPP. On a per capita income basis, India ranked 141th by the GDP nominal and 119th the GDP PPP. Question number 2, which of the following economic activity employs the maximum number of people in India? Tourism, manufacturing, agriculture, mining. Answer of option C, agriculture. Agriculture economic activity employs the maximum number of people in India. Which of the following come under the quaternary sector? Information technology, mining, manufacturing, fisheries. Answer of option A, information technology. Quaternary jobs involve research and development, example IT. Question number for the National Board for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises meet once in a year. Dash month in a year. 2, 6, 3 or 9. Answer of option B, 6. The Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises meets once in a year, 6 months. This is a branch of the Government of India to administer and formulate law for the micro, small and medium enterprises in India. Question number 5. The Micro and Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act was passed in the year 2006, 4, 8 or 2. Answer of option A, 2006. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006 Act was enacted with a view to facilitate the promotion and development of India. Question number 6. Who among the following is also known as the founder of microeconomics as a separate discipline? Adam Smith, Fisher Black, Robert Merton, John Keynes. Answer will be John Merton Keynes. John Merton Keynes is known as the founding father of microeconomics as a separate discipline. He was born on 5th June 1883 in Cambridge. Which of the following is not a primary activity? Agriculture, construction, mining, fishery. Answer will be construction. Construction is not a primary activity. Based on economic activity, how many sectors are there in Indian economy? 4, 3, 2, 5. Answer of option will be 3. There are 3 sectors in India economy. They are primary economy, secondary economy, and tertiary economy. In terms of operation, the Indian economy is divided into organized and unorganized, while for ownership it is divided into public sector and private sector. Question 9. What would be the investment of microeconomic and micro enterprises in plant and machinery manufacture sector? Between 25 lakh and 50 lakh, more than 50 lakh, not more than 25 lakh, more than 25 lakh. Answer option C, not more than 25 lakh. The manufacturing sector enterprises having an investment not more than 25 lakh rupees in plant and machinery are called micro enterprises. And according to the MSME Act 2006, government has defined 2 types of enterprises: manufacturing enterprise and service enterprise. Which of the following is not a capital good? Tools, food and clothing, machine, truck. Answer will be food and clothing. Food and clothing. पिलामाने आपण मान देखुचंती सन्डे एकेडमी यूट्यूब चैनल आउ ये होची हमर सामने एकेडमी यूट्यूब चैनल रो गोटे क्यूआर कोड आपण माने कोन करिवे ना ये क्यूआर कोड रे कोन करिवे स्कैन करले कोन बेनिफिट मिलिबो ना आपण माने गोटे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप किमा चैनल रे आपण सेठी पहुँचे सेठी आपण कोन करबे ए जो आमे पीपीटी पढौछु तार जो सब आपणकर जो अच्छी पीडीएफ सेटा आमे आपण सेठी प्रोवाइड करिवो ता सेटा विभिन्न क्लासेस इन्फॉर्मेशन भी आपनको मिलिवो तेणु ये होची हमर सन एकेडमी फीचर्स तेणु चलता आ किसी अनाउंसमेंट देखिए पिला माने ये होची हमरा गोटे अनाउंसमेंट आशा ओपीएससी एएसओ रो फाउंडेशन बैच जोड्रे कि आपणकर फीचर्स रही 100% सिलेबस कवर रहिबो 12टी मॉक टेस्ट और डिस्कशन मिलिबो पर्सनल डाउट क्लियरिंग ग्रुप गुटे रहिबो आपणकर वीकली करंट अफेयर जनरल स्टडी और बुक भी पीडीएफ मिलिबो ता सेटा फैसिलिटी कोन मिलिबो स्टडी मटेरियल मिलिबो आपनको लाइब्रेरी फैसिलिटी मिलिबो वीकली टेस्ट मिलिबो तापर पर्सनल मेंटरशिप भी मिलिबो आपणकर एटा जो अछि आपणकर 6 मंथ रा वैलिडिटी रही जोटा कि आपणकर ऑफलाइन क्लास एटा अछि ऑनलाइन नो एटा ऑफलाइन एटा मन रखन ऑफलाइन क्लास आपणकर प्राइस रहबो 9999 टका आउ आपणकर आउ गोटे बैच अछि हमर कर्मवीर रेलवे ग्रुप डी जोटा कि ग्रुप डी रे ना जानि छथि आइन भीतर आइन जाला भीतर छंदी हे जेछि आ केबे हम एग्जाम तार भी अनिश्चितता अछि तेणु आप पाखे समय अछि ना निश्चित भाव गोटे ऑफलाइन क्लासेस रे गोटे गोटे एनवायरनमेंट स्टार्ट करंतु सिलेबस 100% कवर हो ओनली आपको 4999 टका 6 मंथ वैलिडिटी रहबो बैच स्टार्ट हो 1 अप्रैल रो आउ ता सहित लाइब्रेरी मध्ये हम पाखे अवेलेबल अछि 499 टका भुवनेश्वर खोजिबे कोठी मिलिबो नाही आपन बहुत बड़ा फैसिलिटी मिलिबो ता सहित आपण ए जो तळे देखुछन एड्रेस विजिट करिवे ता सहित जदि किछि आपनको डाउट अछि एडमिशन पई किबा आपनकर किछि बैचेस पई किबा आपनकर लाइब्रेरी पई आपण ए नंबर कांटेक्ट कर परिवे चलो हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा Question number 11. Which economist developed an international trade theory in 1870 based on comparative advantage and specialization? Paul Krugman, Gary Becker, Milton Friedman, David Ricardo. Answer D. David Ricardo. David Ricardo developed the classical theory of the comparative advantage in 1870 to explain why countries engage in international trade even when one country's workers are more efficient at producing every single good than worker in other countries. Question number 12. Which of the following activity is also referred as the gold collar profession? Secondary, quaternary, primary, quinary. Answer D. Quinary. Tertiary activity are classified into quaternary and quinary activity. Quinary is also known as gold collar professions. Question number 13. In which year was the first industrial policy based on the mixed economy principle announcement in India? The policy clearly democrated the ideas of the operation of the public and private sector in 1959, 48, 50 or 62. Answer will be 1948. In 1948, the first industrial policy was presented in the parliament by the industry minister Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee. The policy properly has a democratic between the ideas of the operation vis-a-vis the private and public sector in the country. Indian economy is called a mixed economy. Question number 14. Which of the following is working capital in the farming sector? Threshing machine, money, tractor, land. Answer will be money. Money is working capital in the farming sector. A simple measure of the total amount of liquidity available in the farm sector is working capital. Question number 15. In dash economy, all productive resources are owned and controlled by the government. Dual capitalist, mixed socialist. Answer option D. Socialist. In socialist or centrally planned economies, the government own and control all productive resources for the benefit of society as a whole. Question number 16. John Mackenzie's best known for his economic theory, Keynesian theory, hailed from which country? Sweden, Denmark, Australia, England. Answer option D. England. John Mackenzie belongs to England. He also known as the father of microeconomics. Question number 17. Depreciation is an annual allowance for the wear and tear of dash finished goods, capital goods, work in progress, land. Answer about capital goods. Depreciation is an annual allowance for wear and tear a capital good. Question 18. Which of the following activity can be classified as a part of the secondary sector of economy? Legal consulting, tea plantation, farm equipment manufacturing, banking. Answer option C. Farm equipment manufacturing. Secondary sector include manufacturing, electricity, gas and water supply and construction, which provide employment 16% of the worker. Question number 19. The mixed economy is presence of subsistence and commercial farming, coexistence of traditional and modern industries, a market system of resource allocation, commerce and trade in which free markets coexist with government intervention, presence of domestic and foreign investment. Answer option C. Explanation goes mixed economy is a market system of resource allocation, commerce and trade in which free markets coexist with government intervention. Last question. Which of the following is an economic system in which capital goods are owned by private individuals or businesses and the production of goods and services is based on supply and demand in the general market? Mixed economy, capital economic, capitalistic economic, state economy or communist economy? Answer option B. Capitalistic economy. Capitalism is an economic system which provides individual or business owned capital goods. Capitalism is an economic system that focuses on a free market to determine the most efficient allocation of resources and set. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସନ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଆଉ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ସନ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ର ଗୋଟେ QR କୋଡ଼୍। ଆପଣମାନେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ନା ଏ QR କୋଡ଼୍ରେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିବେ। ସ୍କାନ୍ କଲେ କ'ଣ ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ମିଳିବ ନା ଆପଣମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ କିମ୍ବା ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ରେ ଆପଣ ସେଠି ପହଞ୍ଚିବେ। ସେଠି ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଆମେ PPT ପଢ଼ଉଛୁ ତାର ଯେଉଁ ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଅଛି PDF ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ଆପଣ ସେଠି ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ଼ କରିବୁ। ତା ସହିତ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିବ। ତେଣୁ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ସନ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀର ଫିଚର୍ସ। ତେଣୁ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଆନାଉନ୍ସମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିବା। ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଆନାଉନ୍ସମେଣ୍ଟ ASO OPSC ASO ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫିଚର୍ସ ରହିଛି 100% ସିଲାବସ୍ କଭର୍ ରହିବ, 12ଟି ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ମିଳିବ, ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ ଡାଉଟ୍ କ୍ଲିୟରିଂ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଗୋଟେ ରହିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କର, ୱିକଲି କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍, ଜେନେରାଲ ଷ୍ଟଡି ଆଉ ଭୋକାବୁଲାରି PDF ମିଳିବ। ତା ସହିତ ଫେସିଲିଟି କ'ଣ ମିଳିବ? ଷ୍ଟଡି ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ ମିଳିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ, ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଫେସିଲିଟି ମିଳିବ, ୱିକଲି ଟେଷ୍ଟ ମିଳିବ, ତାପରେ ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟରସିପ୍ ବି ମିଳିବ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ଯେଉଁ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର 6 ମନ୍ଥର ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡିଟି ରହିଛି, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଏଇଟା ଅଛି, ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ନୁହଁ, ଏଇଟା ଅଫଲାଇନ୍। ଏଇଟା ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ରହିବ 9,999 ଟଙ୍କା। ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅଛି ଆମର କର୍ମବୀର ରେଲୱେ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ D, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ D ତ ଏଇନା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆଇନ ଜାଲ ଭିତରେ ଟିକେ ଛନ୍ଦି ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ଆଉ କେବେ ହେବ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ତାର ବି କିଛି ଅନିଶ୍ଚିତତା ଅଛି। ତେଣୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସମୟ ଅଛି ନା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏନ୍ଭାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ। ସିଲାବସ୍ 100% କଭର୍ ହେବ। ଓନ୍ଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ 4,999 ଟଙ୍କା 6 ମନ୍ଥ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡିଟି ରହିବ। ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ 1 ଏପ୍ରିଲରୁ। ଆଉ ତା ସହିତ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଆଭେଲେବଲ୍ ଅଛି 499 ଟଙ୍କାରେ। ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ଖୋଜିବେ କେଉଁଠି ମିଳିବ ନାହିଁ, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଫେସିଲିଟି ମିଳିବ। ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ତଳେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ତା ସହିତ ଯଦି କିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ଆଡ଼ମିସନ୍ ପାଇଁ କିମ୍ବା ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ବ୍ୟାଚେସ୍ ପାଇଁ କିମ୍ବା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ନମ୍ବରରେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଦେଖିବା। ଆପଣ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ରହିଲା which of the following is a tertiary economic activity? Farming, trading, hunting and weaving। ଆପଣମାନେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆନ୍ସର ଠିକ୍ ହେବ ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ହାର୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ସିମ୍ବଲ୍ ଦେବୁ, ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆନ୍ସର ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଏଇଭଳି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟିକୁ ଲାଇକ୍, ସେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବେ। ଆଉ ଆପଣ ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍ଟିକୁ ଦବାଇଲେ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଆସୁଥିବା ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ପାଇପାରିବେ। Thank you for liking and subscribe. Thanks for